Imagine a planet larger than our own, bathed in the warm glow of a sun like ours, yet different. This is a place where the familiar meets the extraordinary, a realm where the laws of nature take on new dimensions. This is a super-Earth, a world of immense scale. Its sheer size dwarfs our planet, offering a landscape that stretches beyond the horizon, inviting exploration and wonder. Its continents are vast, sprawling expanses of land that seem to go on forever. The oceans are deep and mysterious, holding secrets that have yet to be uncovered by any form of life. Towering forests cloak its surface, ancient trees reaching for the sky. These trees are unlike any we know, their trunks thick and gnarled, their leaves a tapestry of colours unknown to our eyes. This world is not like ours. Gravity here is a constant, crushing presence. It shapes everything from the way creatures move to the very structure of the land itself. The very air feels heavy, thick with moisture and the scent of strange, exotic life. Every breath is a reminder of the planet's unique atmosphere, rich with elements that support its diverse ecosystems. Rivers, swollen and mighty, carve their way across the landscape, their roar a constant reminder of the planet's raw power. These waterways are the lifeblood of the super-Earth, nourishing its flora and fauna. Above, the sky is a canvas of perpetual motion. Clouds drift and swirl in an endless dance, painting a picture of dynamic beauty and ever-changing weather patterns. Clouds, heavy with moisture, gather and collide, their dance a prelude to storms of terrifying intensity. These storms are a force to be reckoned with, their power unmatched by anything on Earth. Lightning, crackling with raw energy, splits the heavens, illuminating the alien landscape below. Each bolt is a spectacle, a reminder of the planet's untamed nature. This is a world of extremes, where life has adapted to thrive under the most challenging conditions. Creatures here are resilient, their forms and behaviors shaped by the harsh environment. It is a world that seems both familiar and alien, a tantalizing glimpse into the boundless possibilities of the cosmos. This super-Earth challenges our understanding of life and the universe, offering a vision of what might be out there waiting to be discovered. Gravity, the invisible force that governs the cosmos, reigns supreme on this super-Earth. It is a force so powerful that it shapes not only the physical landscape, but also the very essence of life itself. It is a constant presence, shaping every aspect of this alien world. From the tallest mountains to the deepest valleys, gravity's influence is inescapable. The landscape itself bears witness to its relentless pull. Every rock, every grain of sand, is an indicator of the unyielding force that governs this world. Mountains, thrust high by tectonic forces, are ground down over eons, their peaks worn smooth by the relentless tug of gravity. These geological features tell a story of constant change and adaptation. Life, too, has adapted to this unforgiving environment. The flora and fauna here are unlike anything we have ever seen. Each species uniquely evolved to withstand the planet's harsh conditions. Plants, their roots anchored deep within the earth, grow low and sturdy, their leaves thick and leathery to conserve precious water. These adaptations are crucial for survival in such a demanding habitat. The animals, too, are built for strength. Their bodies are marvels of evolutionary engineering, designed to thrive where weaker forms would falter. Their limbs are thick and powerful, their bodies compact and muscular, designed to move efficiently under the crushing weight of gravity. These creatures are the epitome of resilience and strength. Even the air we breathe is different here. The atmosphere is a dense blanket that envelops the planet, altering the very nature of the sky above. The atmosphere, denser than our own, hugs the surface, creating a sky that is often hazy and overcast. This thick layer of gases plays a crucial role in the planet's climate. This thick atmosphere traps heat, making the climate on this super-Earth generally warmer than our own. The warmth is a constant reminder of the planet's unique environmental conditions. The combination of high gravity and a dense atmosphere creates weather patterns of astonishing violence. Storms here are not just events, they are cataclysmic forces that reshape the landscape and test the limits of life. Storms on this super-Earth are not mere meteorological events. They are forces of nature that can reshape the landscape in the blink of an eye. These storms are unlike anything we have ever seen on our home planet. They possess a ferocity and intensity that can only be described as otherworldly, capable of altering the very topography of the land within moments. The thick atmosphere, saturated with moisture, fuels these tempests, driving winds that can tear through forests and level mountains. The air is so dense with water vapor that it creates a perfect breeding ground for these colossal storms. The winds, reaching speeds that can only be imagined, have the power to uproot ancient trees and carve new paths through the rugged terrain. Hurricanes, dwarfing the largest ever witnessed on Earth, rage across the oceans, their swirling vortexes visible from space. These massive storms can span hundreds of miles, their eye walls towering like mountains over the alien seas. From the vantage point of space, they appear as monstrous whirlpools, churning the waters below with relentless fury. These storms, fueled by the planet's heat and the Coriolis effect, can last for months, their fury leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. The heat from the planet's core rises to the surface, feeding the storms with an unending supply of energy. The Coriolis effect, caused by the planet's rotation, twists these storms into massive spirals that can persist for an entire season, reshaping the landscape with their relentless power. Lightning, crackling with an almost unnatural intensity, illuminates the sky with terrifying regularity. Each bolt of lightning is a spectacle of raw energy, lighting up the sky in a dazzling display of power. The frequency and brightness of these strikes are unlike anything seen on Earth, creating a constant eerie glow that bathes the landscape in an otherworldly light. The energy released in a single bolt dwarfs anything we experience on Earth. A single strike can release enough energy to power a city for days, and the sheer force of these bolts can split rocks and ignite fires across the landscape. The power contained within each flash of lightning is a testament to the extreme conditions of this alien world. It is a force to be reckoned with, a constant reminder of the raw power that permeates this world. The storms are a manifestation of the planet's untamed nature, a reminder that despite the harsh conditions, there is a beauty in the chaos. The raw, unbridled power of these storms is both awe-inspiring and humbling, a demonstration of the planet's dynamic and ever-changing environment. Yet even in the face of such destructive forces, life endures. The resilience of life on this planet is nothing short of miraculous. Creatures have adapted to the extreme weather, finding ways to survive and even thrive amidst the chaos. Their existence is a testament to the tenacity of life, able to withstand the most formidable challenges. The very storms that threaten to tear the planet apart also serve to replenish its water cycle, carrying vital moisture to even the most remote corners of this alien world. These storms play a crucial role in the planet's ecosystem, distributing water to areas that would otherwise remain arid and lifeless. The cycle of destruction and renewal is a delicate balance, ensuring that life continues to flourish despite the seemingly insurmountable odds. Children of gravity. Life on this super-Earth is as diverse as it is resilient. The planet's high gravity has shaped the very evolution of its inhabitants, leading to creatures that are both familiar and strikingly alien. The dominant species on this world is a race of beings we might call the Gravians. Their bodies are robust and powerful, their limbs thick and muscular, perfectly adapted to move efficiently under the crushing weight of their home world. Their skin, tough and leathery, provides protection from the elements, while their eyes, large and sensitive, allow them to navigate the often dim light that filters through the dense atmosphere. The Gravians are not a solitary species. They share their world with a dazzling array of creatures, each uniquely adapted to its particular ecological niche. From massive herbivorous behemoths that graze on the tough vegetation to nimble predatory creatures that stalk their prey through the dense undergrowth, life on this super-Earth is a reflection of the power of evolution. Cities of stone and steel. The Gravians, for all their physical prowess, are not just creatures of brute strength. They are, in their own way, architects and engineers, capable of shaping their environment to suit their needs. Their cities, testament to their ingenuity, are marvels of design, built to withstand the worst that nature can throw at them. These settlements are not sprawling metropolises like those found on Earth. Instead, they are compact and vertical, designed to minimize their footprint on the landscape. Buildings constructed from massive blocks of stone, quarried from the planet's depths, rise high into the sky, their foundations sunk deep into the bedrock. These structures are not merely functional, they are also beautiful. Their surfaces adorned with intricate carvings that speak to the Gravians' deep connection to their world. Windows, made from a thick, translucent material, are small and strategically placed to let in light while minimizing heat loss. The language of giants. Communication among the Gravians is a fascinating study in adaptation. The dense atmosphere of their world has favored the evolution of low-frequency sounds, producing a language that is deep and resonant, more akin to rumbling vibrations than audible speech as we know it. These vibrations travel through the ground as much as the air, allowing the Gravians to communicate over long distances by creating rhythmic tremors. Their thick, padded feet are highly sensitive to these vibrations, enabling them to detect subtle nuances in the ground, much like we interpret changes in tone and pitch. Such a method of communication might seem limiting to us, but for the Gravians, it is perfectly suited to their environment. It allows them to communicate effectively, even amidst the howling winds and torrential downpours that characterize their world.